Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the OPPO Reno 15 and I'm going to tell you what to do if you do have your fingerprint sensor not working in your device. So actually the first thing that you should do is to test this fingerprint out like this. Just try using this as much as possible without locking your device, of course. But if you have it working after this process, after trying as many times as possible, it will work, and you need to clean your screen. And if it doesn't work, you need to clean your screen too. I mean, you don't really need to clean the whole screen like I do right now. You can just clean here the fingerprint sensor area because it's under the display. And if you do have some screen protector which is dirty or oily, or you just have your screen very dirty with maybe some oil marks like from chips or anything else, you need to just clean your screen. If you do see some scratches, but not like small scratches like every single display has, but it's like, maybe that you can put a nail here where you do have your fingerprint sensor, it won't work too probably. It should, but it won't, because here we do have this light sensor, as you can see, and if we do have some very dent maybe or mark or something like that, it won't work over here. Even a scratch, like big scratch here, if you do have something like this, it won't work. Apart from that, after cleaning, you can try if it works. If it doesn't still, you need to now go to the settings, here scroll down to the security and privacy, and once you are here, you need to tap device unlock. Once you are here, you need to now tap face and fingerprint unlock, tap fingerprint, and now once you are here, you need to put your pattern. Here, as you can see, we have our fingerprint. Tap these three dots near it and tap delete. Delete again, and tap fingerprint, add a fingerprint again. Once you do this, you need to tap add now, and now you need to just scan your fingerprint once again to have 100% sure rate that it works. Maybe try scanning a different one or something like that. Now, when we are done, we can try our fingerprint. Now, as you can see, mine does work. And backing up to the screen protectors. If you do have some screen protector that has any scratches over here near the fingerprint, or is very tough, or it's very cheap, you can either enable the high sensitivity mode in your device, try to enable that, or remove the screen protector. I think removing the screen protector is safer and better, because if you do have some high sensitivity option enabled, this process of fingerprint can be inaccurate, and it's just unsafer. Just for telling you. Here in the display and brightness, you can find this option. As I remember, I'll rotate screen. It wasn't here in a moment. I will find this option for you. I found that, so I need to open the accessibility and convenience, and now scroll down till you see gloves mode. This one allows you to interact with the screen effortlessly while wearing gloves. I know that it's not the same like high sensitivity mode, but I leave it enabled as it is now. Now everything should be working fine, as you can see, and this should help you. If it didn't, you need to contact device support because your fingerprint sensor may be broken, and you need just to have your phone or fingerprint sensor, which is maybe not that possible, replaced. And actually that's it for this video. I hope now that your fingerprint sensor works and your phone works, and now you can unlock your device effortlessly. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.